Honor to be here tonight. I'm currently serving as the first female Ontario County Court judge in Canandaigua. I preside over family court, the youth part, criminal court, and I'm acting Supreme Court Justice. I was appointed to that position in 2001. So what does that mean? I'm actually doing the job that I'm running for right now. By way of history, I was a district attorney at the Monroe County DA's office. I was the supervisor of the Special Victims Unit, handling the most horrific domestic violence homicides, child sexual abuse, and murder of children. And it, like David said, it's very, very difficult work, but just so unbelievably rewarding. And when I was in Monroe County, I lived in Irondequoit. First, I lived on Laurelton Road, and I remembered I'd always say, I live in Irondequoit. What does everybody say? East or west? And I was like, east. But then I lived with my husband at Westage, where Judge Denier lived, and I know his daughter is here, and he was just such a great man and friend to us. Then we moved to Thomas Avenue, and then our beautiful, beautiful home on Sagamore Drive. But I knew I wanted to get back home to my community, which is Ontario County, where I was born and raised on a beautiful farm in Honeoye, New York, where I graduated high school. But during that tenure, and I'm not just saying this because there's a Valentino here, but when I was in Monroe County, Judge Valentino was literally my favorite, one of my favorites, I gotta be careful, judges to appear in front of, because of his temperament and his decorum. And it reminds me that when you're choosing a judge, it doesn't matter if you're Democrat or Republican. It's what qualifications do you bring to the bench? Well, as a prosecutor, I never ask the victim, are you Republican or Democrat? No, I serve everyone. I serve all. Lady Justice has a blindfold on, and I have to serve without fear, without favor, without prejudice. Doesn't matter your skin color, your socioeconomic status. None of that matters. I provide now justice for all, and I will continue to do that. So if you want to know what kind of judge I will be, look at my track record. And on November 5th, I'm just going to show up and keep doing my job. So thank you so much.